Hello everybody, welcome again. Today we are going to work on this pattern. This is front side and this is the back side. For the pattern we need to have a multiple of 6 plus 2. And what we have to do, we are going to start by pull 2 and knit 1. Then repeat again by pull 2, knit 1 until the end of the row. So we are going to make 2 pull 1 knit, 2 pull 1 knit. Let's do this. At the end also I have 2 pull. In the next row, what we have to do, we are going to just knit the stitches like it looks like. It means we are going to have 2 knit, 1 pull, 2 knit, 1 pull, like that. And then what we have to do, we are going to repeat 6 or 8 rows more like that, and I'll be back. I already knit 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but this part is optional. You can knit 8 rows or 10 rows. It depends the space between the cable, but let's do it with the 6 rows now. What we have to do, we are going to take the first one, and for the next 6 I'm going to do it like a cable. I take these 3 at the back in front and then change it with the first 3. Now we are going to knit the stitches, whatever it is. If it's pull, I'm going to pull. Then it's like a knit, just I knit, again pull, and also the same at the back side. The stitches is pull. We are going to pull, the one is knit. We knit and we pull, like that. Then we repeat again the same pattern. We take the other 6 and we change, take it back in the middle, and we just knit whatever it is. The one is pull, pull, the one is knit, knit. We are going to repeat this pattern until the end of the row. As I told you, for this pattern you need to have multiple of 6 plus 2, 2 consider as the edge, and the 6 is gonna be in each pattern. And the last one. This is consider as a row 7. What we have to do for the next row, we are going to just keep continue the stitches, whatever it is, 1 knit, and again here like 2 knit, 1 pull, 2 knit, 1 pull, like that. If you look at the stitches, this is knit, the other one is also knit, then comes to pull, and then comes to knit, 1 pull, 2 knit, 1, and the last one. This is the back side, this is the front side. Now we are going to repeat the pattern again by pull 2, knit 1, pull 2, knit 1 for the next 6 row, and I'll be back. Now I already knit the pattern in 6 rows. If you look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the time. As you can see here, the cable this times it was on the right side. Now for the next pattern, it times to do the cable in the left side. What we have to do, we are going to take the first one as the edge, and then we are going to knit the first 3, 1 pull, 1 knit, 1 pull. It means that we are going to just knit 3, and then when it comes to the next 6, this time another thing you have to do, you are going to take it at the back side instead of in front side. So it means I'm going to take these 3, and then this time I'm going to change it with front side. If it's not easy for you to do it like that, you can use another needle. So we are going to do whatever it is. This is knit, then pull. Again here is pull, the stitches knit and pull. As you can see here, now we have the cable the other side. We are going again with the next 6. We are going to take these 3 at the back, and then change it with the 3 in front. 1, 2, and 3. What we have to do, we look at the pattern. This is pull, then knit, pull, here again, 1 pull, 1 knit, and 1 pull. In this row, at the end of the row, you are going to have 3 left, like the one in front side. Just you are going to knit normal, 1 pull, 1 knit, and the one at the end. When it goes to the next row, just as I told you, it has to be normal. We're going to knit 2, pull 1, knit 2 stitches, knit, pull 1, again knit 2, pull 1, knit 2, pull 1, and repeat until the end of the row. This is the back side, and now this is the front side. you're going to have a nice cable. And if you repeat row 7 to that row, it means that you are going to knit 5 more rows. Between this pattern you have to have 6 rows, and then when it comes to the next pattern you are going to start again like row 7, then again 6 rows, and then you do it like this row that I made. So if you repeat the pattern after few rows, you are going to have the cable like this. As I told you, the space between the pattern from this row to that row is optional. In this case, I already just need 8 rows. For the samples here, I already just need 6 rows. You can decide which one do you want, but that's all. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.